Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have Advait Kukreti with us. He has just finished his level 1 and he's going to be a demo of subtractions only, right? He will be subtracting numbers, any number from a number 200. Can we start, Advait?
Yes, ma'am.
200 minus 6, minus 4, minus 5, minus 2, minus 3, minus 9, minus 7, minus 3, minus 5, minus 6. What is your answer, Advait?
Ma'am, 150.
Yes, 150 is the right answer. 150 minus 2, minus 7, minus 3, minus 8. What is your answer?
Ma'am, 130.
130 is the right answer. 130 minus 4, minus 5, minus 7, minus 3, minus 8, minus 3, minus 5. Advait, answer?
Ma'am, 95.
95 is the right answer. 95 minus 6, minus 8, minus 4, minus 7, minus 8, minus 8 again, minus 4, minus 3, minus 7, minus 6, minus 3, minus 5. What is your answer, Advait?
Ma'am, 26.
Yes, wonderful, Advait. 26 is the right answer. Good.